to Nancy Bibu TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepare all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this oats and plantain fufu. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I have my plantain washed properly. You have to wash it properly. I'll go ahead to peel it, and after that I'm gonna chop this into smaller bites. Plantain and oat fufu offers great health benefits, acting as a nutrient-dense, high-fiber alternative to traditional swallows. Excellent for blood sugar control, weight management, also gluten-free. It helps in sustaining energy. So next I'll transfer it into a bowl and we'll go ahead to blend. I'll transfer my chopped plantain into the blender. I'll go ahead to add in oats, and I'll add in little water. Okay, so I'll blend until you get a very fine and smooth puree. This is a healthy low-carb alternative to traditional fufu, combining the stretch of plantain with the goodness of oats. This is good. Next, I'll transfer it into my pot and I'm going to stir this continuously till it forms a dough. You have to do this continually to avoid it from burning and to prevent lumps. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share this video to your friends and your loved ones. While cooking, you might still add water, but mine was a bit loose, so I didn't add water. All I did was to cover it up a bit for it to cook for a few minutes on a medium heat, and after that, your plantain and oat fufu is ready. I'll go ahead to wrap it in a cling film, mold it into a ball. You can serve this with your favorite soup. Try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video. So this is my final look. Try it and let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.